I'd like to know, will this remain a supportive tool, or will it influence reviewer judgment or even
No,
replace them? What do you think?
exactly. Very good question. Maybe we were not clear enough, but this is a tool which only analyzes the reviewer's report, the draft review. The reviewer is obliged to give a first version of his or her review report, okay? Only then the AI technology which we developed will check the report itself and gives its comments on the peer review. It does not judge any way the paper itself. It only judges the peer review report which has been made by the peer reviewer, okay? So it's not going to tell you, this is a good paper, you should accept it. No way, never. It will only say, your peer review is interesting, but we should maybe add some extra information in order to make it more complete.
Thank
Okay?
you.